Hello everybody. I received the water pump for this Breville, and I don't know if you remember, but I mentioned that I'm gonna also replace this connector or see, maybe I need a seal or something. I have to do something with that because it looks like there's also some kind of leakages here and I don't really like it. So what I'm gonna do, wow, there's lots of, anyways, I'll show you what I got. I got the Ulka pump, brand new. It's just give me one moment, I'm gonna show you. It's EAP5 model. Yeah, all brand new, never been used. I'm going to remove this pump and install it. Wow, usually they don't put silicone in here. Just need to take all the silicone. There's lots of them. They put so much. Okay. So silicone is out. Looks like they put like a zip tie on this. So I would take the zip tie off so I'll have better access to the pump because it's really tight in here. There's no room. I'm going to remove the zip tie. I think I have one after. I'll have to check. Worst case, I'm just gonna put it nicely on this side. I don't think you really need a zip tie here. Okay, that's much better. Now I have more room to work. So there's a couple things you have to remove. There's a hose underneath that comes from the flow meter. You want to remove it. Once you remove the hose, you want to take the pump outside a little bit, and then you want to swivel the pump and start removing it. Let me see, I'm just going to show you how I do it. Yeah, for this one there's not much room. Looks like very tight space because it's a smaller machine, if you can see. Okay, pump is coming out. You can see all the scale around it. That means that the O-ring here needs to be replaced. I'll do that as well. There's leakage, and that might be also a problem with pressure as well. So what you want to do, you want to remove this clip here. See, this O-ring is completely busted, so I will remove it and then I will replace it. Otherwise everything else seems to be okay, there's no problem. So I'll make a little cleanup in there from all the scale. Okay, I'm gonna find this O-ring now. Where's my O-rings? Yeah, so all what you need is basically a generic O-ring, small one. This guy. You put it here, and then you install it back in, and you take your clip and so this is all installed, no more leaks from this side. Now I'm just going to install the pump back in. It's probably going to be a little challenging because it's such a small space in here, but I'll see what I can do. Lots of wires on the way. Just take your time, don't rush. Yeah, I think I got it. You don't want to lock it super tight, you just want to make sure it's locked. Don't go crazy because it's all plastic thread. You don't want to break the plastic thread or anything like that, so just go so it's tight, don't over tight it. And of course test it for leaks after operation. Oh, sorry, after installation. Make sure there's no leaks. But you know, if you want to make it even tighter, you can either go here, or you can remove the pin and tighten it and then install it. But I think it's all good now. Now this hose from the flow meter, you just install it back to the pump. If you've done it the first time, take your time. It's probably going to be a little challenging for you to do that. And take lots of pictures. I always say in my videos, take pictures if you're not sure. Okay, so it's all good. Those wires, you can just put them aside like this, like so. That's fine. And what you really want to do, you want to test it for leaks after installation. You want to make sure there's no leaks. So I'm gonna turn it on. There's some water in here, okay? You want to make sure there's no leaks from there, okay? So once you turn it on, you wait. You want to make sure there's no leaks from this side. And there's no leaks at the bottom. So we're gonna check here, this point, and there. Okay, so check now. Okay, no leaks here, no leaks there. It's doing kind of very slow. I don't like it. I'm just gonna wait. Looks like there's some air in the system. There's still air in the system, so I'm just gonna prime it. You can see there's air in the system still. Yeah, I can see there's still air in the system. Okay, there's some air in the system still, so it's not completely fixed yet. I'm just gonna see why is it doing that. But there's definitely some air in the system. I'll try to fill a little bit more water in here. Maybe that's just not enough water in there. I'll fill it till at least half, and then I'll come back and show you the operation. Okay, so I put a little bit more water. Let's see how it operates now. Okay, yeah, now it's much better. Yeah, so now it's fixed. Okay, so there was not enough water, that's why it was below minimum. So you can see now it operates perfectly fine. Yeah, awesome. Lots of pressure. Everything is good to go. I might gonna remove the group net here and clean it, and it should be all good to go. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. But this is how you fix a bed pump with no pressure on a Breville coffee machine. Thank you again, and take care.